Hi there. I have an exciting public announcement. The Yes Group London presents Up Close and Personal with Des O'Connor on Wednesday the 29th of April 2015 at the Bloomsbury London Hotel from 7 p.m. The Yes Group is the UK's leading personal development community, and Des O'Connor is the #1 relationship expert in the UK, award winner, author and international motivational speaker. And guess what? Des is a recommended partner of Paul Carrick-Brunson, American TV host, author and matchmaker, who's endorsed by Oprah Winfrey, who says Paul is much more than a matchmaker. He's a life coach. Des O'Connor, soon to be touring the USA and Canada, will be delivering a fantastic speech on men versus women, ending the relationship battle with empathy and understanding. Des's presentation will focus on showing men and women how to have a great relationship and how to attract and keep the right partner, not by getting, but by giving, not by taking, but by understanding how men's and women's minds work in a relationship. Des will also discuss how to apply a few simple changes and strategies for men and women to understand each other better and enjoy their relationships more, and even how men can take the initiative to help the women in their lives to have a more relaxing and positive experience at any time of the month. 7 simple steps which have been proven to work for Des's coaching clients that will help single people re-examine what they need to do to be open to attract the right partner and then help keep a committed relationship with the right person for them, and how to break the cycle of bad relationships by overcoming the unconscious thought patterns that motivate you to choose the wrong partners. You'll be amazed at how Des completely turned his life around from a very painful divorce and became the #1 relationship expert in the UK. Whether you're single, dating, or married, this speech will help you think differently about your relationships. Learn how to build better relationships, how to choose the right people for you, and how making important changes in yourself can change your life for the better. What does Des O'Connor do? Des O'Connor webinars. Des offers tips and insights for how entrepreneurs, consultants, professional speakers, and business owners can use webinars to benefit their business and boost their profits. Des is also the founder of UK Academy of Relationship Coaching, the only relationship training organisation in the UK, and the founder of UK Dating and Relationship Conferences, the only educational conferences in the UK dedicated to helping relationships and singles come together. Do you want to be the first to purchase your tickets to Des's book launch, I Can Find You the Right Man? Members of the Yes Group and attendees of the Yes Group April 29th event are invited to Des's June book launch on Saturday the 20th of June with a special offer. Des's coaching techniques have helped create hundreds of successful dating relationships and several weddings. Tickets are £10 online from www.desoconnors.com. Simply click here and just quote the discount code April29DC or call 01652 641 351, or you can pay £20 on the door. However, be warned, this event will be sold out. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.